What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Afro Sniper X. I was just getting done filming right now, and this little guy came and tried to drink out of my water bowl again. So we got another victim. Nice little bird, decent size, not bad. Yeah, nice sized beak. I don't know where I hit him. Oh, actually, maybe I hit him in the leg somewhere. I have no idea. I dropped him first shot. Oh, there we go. There it is. Right there. Nice little shot. Good sized bird. So yeah, it's your boy Afro Sniper X. And I'll see you guys next time.
It's your boy Real White 89, giving a big shout out and a big thank you to my boy Afro Sniper X. Thanks for the merch. Thanks for choosing me as the winner of the Hats On Air Tack. You guys see it. Big shout outs from SoCal all the way to you out there in Las Vegas. Make sure you guys subscribe to the link in the description. Subscribe to my boy Afro Sniper X YouTube page. And follow him on Facebook. Once again, big shouts out to my boy Afro Sniper X. Appreciate you a lot. Wish you nothing but the best. Nothing but success and growth in your channel. Keep doing what you're doing, homie. Much love.